Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sign up for Bolt. If you want to start booking rides or deliveries quickly and securely with Bolt, then signing up is easy and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and then download the Bolt application and open it up. The first interface of Bolt will look like this. You'll need to go ahead and provide your phone number or continue logging in with Apple, Google or Facebook. I'm just going to enter a phone number here. Go ahead and enter your phone number in the text box and select whether you'd like to verify your phone number with SMS or WhatsApp. After you do that, you'll be provided a verification code via SMS or WhatsApp. Type it down in the text box. Now, enable notifications so that you can stay updated on your rides and promotions. Allow necessary permissions such as location, notification, etc. And with this, you will be able to successfully complete your sign-up process for Bolt. You can now go ahead and enjoy the rides or deliveries. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.